This is a perfect look for when you don't know what to wear that day. It's good to have different layers in spring because you never know what's gonna happen in the next hours. Hey my boldies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I do fashion, curls, lifestyle and travel videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, then you're right here. So today we'll be talking about different colorful spring looks you can rock this season. And I'm also going to show you different variations of spring looks, like for colder days, for warmer days, for summery kind of days. So let's get right into it. So the first look I want to show you is this kind of monochromatic look with a bit of color, like a touch of color. The skirt is actually a dress, a summer dress by Mashki, but I kind of didn't have a skirt, a violet one that is super maxi, so I thought why not just wear the dress and then put a jumper on top. So you have no idea that this is actually a dress, but just being a bit creative sometimes when I don't have the right pieces for what I want to create. And on top I threw on this really nice crop jumper, also in a violet, but it is a bit darker than the skirt, and I love violet combinations. I mean, as you can see from my outfit today, it's also in violet, one of my favorite colors, and it's perfect for spring. And then I just topped it off with this vintage coat I have already for so long, and it's the perfect spring coat because of the color. It has like this mustard yellow color which really goes well with violet. And then I also paired it with Doc Martens, so this is more of a look for like colder spring days, the beginning of spring, rainy spring days, when you just want to stay kind of warm, but you still want to be showing some color and showing that spring is here. Also, what I love about this combo is that the Doc Martens have like this yellow seam around the shoe, and it just fits perfectly to the coat as well. And then I just took a neutral colored a bag from Mango to finish the look off. Could have also been a mustard colored bag, but I didn't have one at hand, but I still love it also with a neutral bag. So it's giving complementary color mix. If you haven't seen my how to wear color video, definitely go ahead and check it out. If you're like new to color, you want to incorporate more but you don't know where to start, definitely check that video out. I'm gonna link it down below, or you can watch it after this video. Also, I popped on some violet jewelry, and I had some green nail polish because the details are really important, especially for spring. If you want to incorporate more color, just having different accessories in a nice color can even make a neutral look such a good spring look. The next spring look I want to talk about is a denim on a denim look. This look is perfect for spring because it kind of fits to the weather. It's great for when it gets a bit warmer, but it's still a bit windy, especially in the mornings and at night. So for this look I just popped on some denim jeans and also this bomber cut denim jacket and a simple white t-shirt. You really don't have to do much. This is a perfect look for when you don't know what to wear that day. You don't feel maybe so comfortable in your skin that day. This is super easy, you don't have to think much at all, and you will be rocking this look. Also, I have to mention the shoes I wore with it are these denim Zara ankle boots. I love them. I also mentioned them in my Zara haul I did. These are such an eye catcher and make any like basic look really stylish without doing too much. Effortlessly stylish. And also I threw in this kind of boho bag that's more like a beach bag, but I kind of thought it fits the vibe. It's great for like a day in the city. You can throw all your stuff in, and I love also the wood details. It's a vintage bag that I had for a long time already, so you can find it, but maybe you can find something similar, and I thought the color combo just fit perfectly. This look I'm sure you can recreate with your own clothing. I'm sure you have denim, a white tee, and maybe even ankle boots in a denim at home. If not, you can also just pair it with some sneakers and you will still be super stylish. You could even pop on a colorful bag just to bring the spring vibes in even more. Like in yellow, for example, would look so nice as well. The next look is one of my favorites. I fell in love with this orange jumper that I thrifted. I'm so proud of this because it's really good quality. Underneath I threw on a yellow turtleneck because I wanted like a pop of color coming out of the jumper. And then I paired it with these floral pants or leggings. that have this floral print on it, and it looks so spring vibes, like it's really giving spring. Then I also paired it with some sneakers, just some violet Nike sneakers because I wanted to keep it comfortable. Some turquoise Chanel earrings. They're not real, but I just love the look. I have them forever already. A mini yellow bag from Mango to bring the yellow back out again. And then I popped on some 70s inspired sunglasses to give it like a really cool vibe. And I think the pants and the sunglasses give off the 70s vibe, so it fit really nicely. And this look is also about layering, so when it gets a bit too hot you can just pop it off and have just one layer, but when it gets cooler you have 2 layers, so you're nice and warm. So this is definitely a look when it isn't so warm yet, and it's like changing all the time. The weather in spring, in the morning it can be really nice, and then suddenly it can rain, and then it can be sunshine again, and then it can be really cold. So it's good to have different layers in spring because you never know what's gonna happen in the next hours. The next spring look I have is giving baby shower vibes to me because of the colors, I think. I paired this light blue cargo pants, which have like a satin feel to it, with a blue summery top. This is more of a look for when summer is getting closer. And then I just popped on a very nice pink shirt and the same light pink colored bag I found at Mango on a sale, and some nude heels just to bring the look together. And this is such a nice spring look. It's giving pastel colors. You can wear this like to brunch or something where you want to be a bit more fancy. If you would want to be a bit more casual, you can just change the heels for sneakers and you could go anywhere with this look pretty much. I think this is also a great look for someone who's a bit more scared of wearing color maybe and is slowly getting into it, because it's like more of the lighter colors. It's just 2 colors mixing together, and it's not a lot of patterns or anything. So definitely recommend you recreate this look. And now we come to my most favorite look of all of them. This look is definitely heading more into summer and is very colorful and out there. So I paired this sheer top I got from Zara. It has a bit of animal print on and it's in a violet blue kind of mix. I love sheer. It's perfect for spring, sheer materials. You can layer it. It's giving an entrance to your outfit, but it's still kind of breathable and you won't get too hot in them. And I paired it with this magenta pants I have. They're such a good staple because you can like pair it with so many different outfits and combinations. For the shoes I went with the same denim ankle boots I mentioned before. It just fits to so many outfits. It's very versatile. And to bring even more color to the whole mix, I mixed in this yellow shirt. It has short sleeves and it's just the perfect kind of cover up, but also bringing more life to the whole outfit. If this is too much color, you could also just leave it out and wear a violet jacket or a violet shirt on top. And to finish the look off, the accessories are this violet bag as well, or lilac bag actually, from French Connection. It has this really cool diagonal design or shape. And to top this whole look off for real, I got these sunnies from And Other Stories. They are kind of see-through, so you can see the eyes through the glass, but they have this lilac violet tint to it. The frames are in a turquoise, and see-through glasses are super trendy right now, but they also fit really well to spring. So when the sun isn't as strong as in summer, I think it just gives such a stylish look when you have see-through glasses. And I think it just pulled the whole look off and made it even more outstanding. And not to forget, I also popped on some really nice jewelry. First of all, this gold bangles I got from Zara. They're really easy, and bangles are also super trendy right now, especially big chunky gold jewelry. And then I popped on these snake earrings I found at TK Maxx. You won't believe it. They were like, I don't know, between 10 and 15 bucks. Not expensive at all, and they're from the brand House of Harlow. The jewelry is so beautiful. I saw on their website that they're quite expensive, the jewelry, so definitely check out TK Maxx. You can find some great like gold chunky jewelry. Next up, I have to mention a outfit which is combined with a leather jacket, because we know spring is the time to bring your leather jackets out. So I paired this brown leather jacket I got from Zara. So nice, it's really oversized. I paired it with this animal print turtleneck. I love the brown on brown mix with this long maxi skirt which has a nice design on it with different colors like violet. It's kind of dark though, like violet, brown, blue, lilac. It's also a sheer skirt but you can't see through. And then I just popped on these beige colored slouchy boots. I love them so much. I love the combination of a long maxi skirt with slouchy boots. It just gives a really stylish look. And I popped on the same sunglasses I mentioned before. Also because the skirt has violet in, I think it brings the look really well together. I forgot to mention the bag, but I would have paired it with this new bag I got. It's also from TK Maxx and I got it online though. And it is just this gorgeous violet kind of bottega dupe. This would fit so nicely with this look. So this is also a look that is more for the colder days. It's colder, springy days. But you can always like switch things out, like leave the jacket away, change the turtleneck to a regular shirt. Just be a bit more versatile. You have to kind of be with the weather in spring. But as you see, you can definitely bring the colors out in spring and slowly incorporate it more and more. Me personally, I wear color all year long, but if you're not that kind of girly, this is definitely time to bring at least a couple of colors out of your wardrobe or at least some accessories in color. That was it of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite outfit. Subscribe to the channel. It's really helps me out. Go watch my how to wear color video if you want to see how to incorporate more into your wardrobe and have like a system behind it. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.